and welcome back to Glow with Candace. So on today's episode, we're talking about one of my favorite kind of products, highlighters. One of my favorite things besides mascara and blush. Well, I love everything really, but highlighters are definitely something I love. We're talking about a new product. Well, I guess I should say isn't new. It actually was released, I don't know when it was released, but it was a limited edition palette by Nicole, I'm gonna butcher her name, Guerriero. So she is a famous YouTuber who is so-called a beauty guru. I hadn't heard of her, so I looked her up, and yeah, she has a lot of YouTube videos, very popular. So she has collaborated with Anastasia Beverly Hills for a highlighting palette. I guess they released it way back when, and it was so popular that they brought it back, so limited edition. Packaging is so cute. So it's like a peachy color with a little bit of shimmer. So I don't know if you've ever purchased these highlighter palettes before, but they're some of my favorite. They go on beautifully, they last a long time, and they're very pigmented, which I love in a highlighter. Super pretty colors. I'm kind of worried that some of these are a little bit too dark for my skin tone, but maybe when I'll be self-tanned, it won't be too bad. When I was reading on the website, it said that these colors worked for all kinds of skin tones, so from fair to dark. I'm gonna show you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is so pigmented. Oh my gosh. So I got most of these colors up except the 143. So I'll show you guys what the swatch looks like. Cat, Forever Young, Daydream, Forever Lit, Glow Getter, which I absolutely love the name, Glow Getter. Oh my gosh, and that's actually really pretty gold color. And then the last one, 143. So these are so buttery and so beautiful. Look how iridescent those are. Oh my gosh, I love highlighters, and I love Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighters for that reason. They're always buttery, always beautiful, well pigmented, and just glow on the skin. So I'm so excited to wear this. Oh my gosh, you guys. So, oh my gosh. So this retails at $40. Totally worth it in my eyes. I mean, you get 6 beautiful colors. I mean, look at this palette. Look at this palette. I was worried about those darker colors here, but they are so beautiful on the skin. I mean, look at that. Look. Oh my gosh. I just love it. I cannot wait to wear it. Oh my gosh, just look at that. Oh my gosh, so pretty. I mean, look at this on my finger. Like, just look at that. I'm just barely touching. This is Glow Getter, and this is 143. So beautiful. Oh my gosh. You guys, I'm so excited to wear this. Oh my gosh, totally worth the... I mean, the packaging is beautiful all on its own. I mean, who doesn't love the glittery pink? So pretty. But then, oh my gosh, once again, come in the clutch. I'm so glad I purchased it because I thought, I don't know, the colors seem a little... I mean, I definitely thought I could wear the few, but I mean, I didn't know if Glow Getter and 143 would be too dark, but you know what? I don't think so. We have Kitty Cat, Forever Young, Daydream, Forever Lit, Glow Getter, and last but not least, 143. So absolutely gorgeous. So even though I haven't worn it yet, I'm super excited with how they swatched and also how they feel. They're buttery, creamy, so pigmented, totally worth the bang of your buck. So definitely check it out on Anastasia Beverly Hills website, or check it out at Sephora or Ulta when it comes out. Thanks for stopping by with Glow with Candace. I hope you enjoyed this review on the limited edition Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerriero highlighter palette. And I'm sorry if I butchered that name again. I'm so sorry. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button down below. That way you can see when I post any new videos. And can't wait to see you next time on Glow with Candace. Bye!